Hey, look, Diana. Have you seen this before?
Yeah, I never.
Me neither. That's why I make video. This
Yeah.
professional.
Send this to Josh.
Come and see.
Yeah, I see it. Fantastic.
No, this necessita YouTube. Diego Santana, is okay for you this video, the YouTube?
No, esto es 100 euros.
20.
100 euros.
20 euro.
100 euros.
Hey,
Where are Josh?
20 euro from me. 20 euro, that's much more. That's 1,000 euro for you. Okay, 20? Diego, it's okay, 20 euro. You don't speak me now.
No, yo concentration.
Okay, YouTube, 100 euro. Okay? Yes. Look.
A ver, otro más, sabía.
Acceptad.
Otro más, aquí.
100 euro, YouTube, okay? This video.
Yes.
100 euros.
Diana,
Yeah?
tú posible. Ah, no, yo sí.
I can do. I can do.
Perdón.
If you are crazy here, you have to go. You're not eat my energy again. I speak true.
Mm?
I speak true to you. You put too much. No, it's missing. Can you tell me where Dios? Come on, if you make crazy here, I cannot do it. You broke my nerves last time. Take me 2 days, be okay again.
Diana,
Yeah.
this video on YouTube, internet, everyone see it.
Yeah.
Okay. So, Diana,
Yeah, I speak.
Josh is in Las Palmas with his business. He makes money in Las Palmas. Okay? Don't say because YouTube knows.
Ahora estoy 10 minutos. Para que él coja y apoye un poco.
Un
Después,
poco más.
sí, porque la pintura es muy líquida.
Ajá.
Vale.
Ok, fantástico.
See,
Ahora está, mira. Allí.
I have to pay Diego 100 euros to put this on YouTube.
A ver, ¿dónde me dijo Diana? Diana, where? Aquí.
I'm hungry.
Papá, aquí.
Sí, cariño.
Oh, this one.
I
Tú me
don't
dices
think
a mí
I'm gonna
dónde.
get food here. I'm taking some snap still shots for later. Okay. Diana, you have food, no?
Huh?
You have some food?
Food.
Yeah.
No.
Anything. I can eat anything.
Yeah, I can.
I mean, I can even eat paper, but if you have something that's
This?
for you. Oh, this is very good. One is enough. One, please.
Yeah, you can eat what?
No, I only need
Yeah,
one.
you know, yeah, I have this.
Oh, this sugar cake. No, apple cake. Oh, thank you,
Yeah.
YouTube. Diego. Diego.
No.
Okay, I need. Hello, YouTube. I am eating. Do you want to say hi to YouTube with me? Hey, Diego. Hi, YouTube.
Wow.
What? You don't speak so fast. You go to Las Palmas and where are they? Who take care of the dog?
Burley.
Coming to my house, why? Yeah? I thought you say now in Las Palmas.
I thought the dogs are coming here.
Then she was.
Prosit.
Why you think you need to go to? Why you think you need to go to Las Palmas?
To make money.
He not coming here after him we finish.
Josh is going to Las Palmas. Una más. No money.
Beer.
He's not
Sí.
working till 10 o'clock.
But just make 1,000 euros in 1 hour. Una hora. 1,000 euro. Just. Here. The gay. 1,000 euro. 1 hour. I wanna do it. 2,000 euros. 1 hour.
Yeah, okay, relax.
Diego, want some cake?
No,
Please.
baby.
Very good. No? Okay.
Mira la concentración.
Yeah. Can you go back to Diego because he needs to? You need to show him what's not good enough.
Bess, yo before speaking for you, special.
Yeah,
Eh?
yeah.
You cry. Oh, no. You, no. No.
She don't cry. She speaks Icelandic.
Ver.
Respect, Diego. Respect. De mujer Ebola.
Okay, now we relax.
Yes.
Don't eat my energy. You understand? You eat energy when you are.
Yeah, I'm gonna ask YouTube. What do you think, guys? Do I suck the energy out of you guys?
¿Dónde? ¿Otro?
Please tell me.
Ahí.
Put in the comment field. Put it on Instagram. Put it on Facebook. Put it on Snapchat. I don't care. Let the whole world know.
El otro.
You can read all about it. So now we switch over to Emily Sandé. Read all about it. Someone please cue music. I have to do everything myself. But it's not my telephone, so I can't do it. I don't have his passcode.
El otro, pequeño, small one. Okay.
Diego. El codo.
¡Ay, la madre que lo parió!